So I'm currently behind the wheel of the 2025 Audi SQ7, and this thing features the nice Audi Virtual Cockpit display, which features this nice S Performance bar screen. And I want to take a moment to showcase how to enable that screen, just in case the dealership tinkered with your screen before you took keys of it, or you bought this vehicle in the used car market and you're just like, why don't I have the cool S screen? So I'm going to showcase how to do that. So right now I have that S Performance bar screen enabled. So let's just kind of adjust to the non-S Performance screen. So how you're going to do that is assume you're all the way on the left over here. Just scroll over until you get to settings. Once you're in settings, the second bubble or block over is display and brightness. Click on that. And down on the third one, you have Audi Virtual Cockpit. Click that and you have your three options. So you have Sport, S Performance, and Dynamic. So let's just hit Sport. Yes, it's going to ask you if you want to change. So this may be how your vehicle came. If some may be in the S Performance screen already, but if it's like this, you can just adjust to the S Performance screen, which is the one I started with. That's that. And then you have Dynamic, which has got kind of like bar graphs on both sides. Kind of more sporty, but I have a couple videos for the RS Audi models, and it has probably the best screen, which is the RS runway screen. And if I have folks in the comments asking, how do I get the RS runway screen, which I have folks in my RS model videos asking, when they have S or A models, it's not possible. Unless you're some kind of crazy screen modder, I am not aware of any aftermarket way to get those RS screens on S models. So if you're coming here to ask the question or look it up, it's not possible to my knowledge. If I'm wrong, please leave a link in the description for where you've seen folks updating S and A models to those RS screens. But assuming I'm correct and that's just not possible, these are the three screens you have, and this is how easy it is to get in that cool S Performance screen in your 2025 Audi SQ7. If this helped you, please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you have not already. Every little bit helps, and I appreciate it all. Thanks for watching.